Look how this rose just growed up and stuck out all by itself. And then it's got them little buds on the side to make out more on the same leaf. Our trees are finally growing a little bit and getting pretty. We've had these planted for 5 years. Somebody used to run over this and all the time. That's why it looks funny right now. But it's finally growing back out. Okay, in this tea, we got zucchini and squash right here. Zucchini and kale and turnip greens. Big old sunflowers. See how tall they are? Our yellow roses and our peppers. That's all in this tea. I gotta come out here and pick that today. That's why I said I wish it quit raining.
I just sprayed that cement on the way to there, so. Show them what a baby zucchini looks like.
Miniature rose, tomatoes, and zucchini and squash. This is in the tea. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, cantaloupe, watermelon, and squash.
Butternut squash. What would you like?
Butternut squash, butternut squash, butternut squash,
Really?
butternut squash. Hiding in there is another butternut squash. And another one. Tomatoes. Just hanging off the vines. And our sweet potatoes just growing everywhere, taking over the whole garden. This was a row of beans, but everything's taken over. It's butternut squash and sweet potatoes are taking over everything. That's beans he's holding in his hand. Okay, here's a look at the garden from above the garden. We got tomatoes just hanging everywhere. Here's the bell peppers and the cantaloupes. Side view of the garden, taking over everything. Baby butternut squash. A pumpkin. Big tree finally coming back out. Sage. Parsley. Oregano I have to cut every 2 weeks. Black radishes and mustard. Peppermint for tea, strawberries, thyme, potatoes, chives, basil, watermelon, mustard, strawberries, tomatoes, strawberries, bell pepper, strawberries, watermelon and pumpkin, rosemary, potatoes, strawberries and potatoes and char and thyme. That's what all that is right there. Basil, banana peppers, strawberries, rhubarb, pineapple, strawberries, rhubarb, strawberries, Here's my favorite baby, my tomato plant. Look how tall it is. Blackberry with blackberries on it. The first one we got so far off of this one. And then our raspberry. Okay, we got cucumber here, tomato plants, 11 of them. And this big old thing is butternut squash.
And another cucumber.
And another cucumber.
And watermelon.
Watermelon and tomato plants. Ain't they beautiful? They just keep growing. 2 pumpkins. Cushaw. Cantaloupe. Another cantaloupe. Watermelon. Cushaw. Elephant ears. Hydrangeas. White rose just came on it. Beans all up and down the fence.
Both sides.
Both sides. That's our garden tour for today. Thanks for watching. Bye. Here's today's garden picked. Good eating today. Raspberries, just picked today. Frying some cucumbers rolled in flour. And some zucchini rolled in flour and egg.